So you are still talking about Jumong in 2026? Honestly, that's a fair question. The truth is, I didn't come back to Jumong because of nostalgia. I came back because I saw myself in him. At the beginning of the story, Jumong was nothing special. It was careless, weak, always running away from responsibility. People looked down on him. Even his own adopted father, the king, doubted him. There were moments he looked completely useless. Moments where he felt like his life was heading nowhere. And honestly, that part hits me the hardest. Because a lot of us are secretly there right now. Failing, trying, confused. Looking at people becoming successful while we are struggling to understand who we are. What shocked me most was this. Before Jumong became a king, before he built a nation, before people respected his name, he almost gave up on himself. And the story still changed. And that is why this story means so much to me. Not because it's just a movie, but because it reminds me that beginnings doesn't define endings. We recently hit 10,000 followers on TikTok. To some people, that may be small, but for us, it means progress. It means consistency. It means we didn't stop. And trust me, we've not even started yet. Thank you to everyone watching these clips. Thank you to everyone learning from the lessons hidden inside this story. I hope this page reminds someone that struggling now doesn't mean you will struggle forever. And sometimes, the people who look lost today are the ones building kingdoms tomorrow. God help us all.